deep in cleaning this fat, and we're RAM multitasking upgrade and resource on intensive Lenovo applications G50-30, our laptop, the norm. Having sufficient RAM is crucial. Thank you for ensuring smooth Dion operation. For trusting peak DIT solutions. By increasing the amount of RAM in your laptop, you enable it to handle a greater number of demanding tasks concurrently, which can significantly enhance overall performance and user experience. For instance, if you regularly engage in activities like video editing, graphic design, gaming, for running virtual machines, having additional RAM can provide a noticeable improvement in speed and efficiency. These tasks often require substantial memory resources. Deep cleaning a laptop is a crucial maintenance task that often gets overlooked, but it can significantly improve performance, extend a device's lifespan, and ensure it operates optimally over time. Laptops, being portable and frequently used, are susceptible to accumulating dust, dirt, and debris in various areas, including the keyboard screen, fans, vents, and internal components. Over time, this buildup can cause various issues such as overheating, sluggish performance, and even permanent damage to internal parts. Regular deep cleaning done with care can address these issues and help maintain your laptop's efficiency and durability. Below is a comprehensive breakdown of why deep cleaning your laptop is beneficial and the steps involved. Deep cleaning and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning and RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.